All right, let's get right into it. An SMT factory floor. Wow, it's a busy place, right? You've got operators everywhere, you've got that super expensive machinery, and everything's on a tight schedule. So when you think about bringing in automation, like an AGV, the number one question on everyone's mind is always about safety. So today, we're going to break down exactly how the Southern Machinery SFY03 AGV is built from the ground up to operate safely in your workspace.
And really, this is the big question, isn't it? When you've got an AGV navigating those crowded aisles between your SMT lines, there is just zero room for uncertainty. I mean, your people and your machines are your most valuable assets. Any system you integrate has to protect them, period.
And here it is. This is the SFY03. Its entire design philosophy is built around answering that critical question with a confident no. It's not just about moving materials from point A to point B. It's about doing it safely and reliably every single time. So how does it pull that off?
Well, it's not just one single feature. The SFY03 uses what we call a multi-layer safety system, where each layer is a backup for the one before it. Think of it as a series of redundant checks, all designed to prevent a collision long before it ever has a chance to happen. Let's break down each one of those layers.
Okay, so the first line of defense is all about seeing what's coming. This is the proactive layer. You could call it the AGV's eyes. It's constantly scanning the path ahead for any potential obstructions, whether that's a person, a cart, or another piece of equipment.
The SFY03 uses a single-point laser as its obstacle sensor. And you know, this is a really important upgrade over older infrared systems. Because its detection principle doesn't care about the color of an object, it's way more reliable in a visually complex place like a factory. It's a true early warning system. That laser can be set to detect obstacles up to 1.2 meters away. Now, on a busy factory floor, a 1.2 meter buffer is critical. That's a huge amount of space. It gives the AGV plenty of time to slow down and stop smoothly, avoiding any last-second emergency braking and protecting your assets. So what happens if something gets past the laser? Maybe an object that's too low to the ground or appears out of nowhere. Well, that's where the second layer comes in. This is the physical, contact-based failsafe. This layer is a mechanical trigger. It's a pressure-sensitive rubber strip. So if the AGV makes any physical contact at all, the pressure on this strip instantly sends a signal to the drive system, and it halts the unit dead in its tracks. It's the essential physical backup to the laser sensor.
So layers 1 and 2 are automated, right? But the most important safety feature is always the one that puts a trained operator in complete control. The final layer is all about direct, instant human intervention. On both the front and the rear of the AGV, you have these big, unmistakable, urgent stop knobs. It doesn't matter what the AGV is doing or what its sensors are detecting. An operator can hit this button at any time for an immediate stop. This is the ultimate safety control. Now, these safety features are great, but being able to verify that they're active in real time, well, that's what builds true confidence. And that's where the system's HMI, the human-machine interface, comes into play. This here is the obstacle monitor screen, and you can get to it right from the main interface. You can see dedicated sections for both the front and the rear sensors. It shows you their live status, whether they're enabled, and what they're detecting. There is absolutely no guesswork involved.
And that's really the key takeaway here. Before you even run a single route, you can just glance at this screen and have complete peace of mind, knowing that all the AGV's protective systems are online and ready to go. It's all about making safety transparent and verifiable. But look, the technology is only one half of the equation. A truly safe environment is a partnership between the AGV's advanced systems and the diligence and professionalism of the technicians operating it. So the user manual lays out some critical best practices. We're talking about daily checks on safety functions, keeping the path clear of hazards like oil or water that could cause a skid, and clearly marking the AGV's path with floor paint. These are simple steps, but they create a predictable and safe environment for everyone. And ultimately, it all comes down to this, a direct quote from the manual. The procedures are there for a very good reason. Following them consistently is the single most effective way to make sure the technology works exactly as intended and maintains a safe factory floor.
So the SFY03 provides a powerful, multi-layered safety platform, but it also highlights that partnership between the machine and the operator. So the question to think about is this: how can this combination of advanced technology and disciplined procedure upgrade the safety culture on your own factory floor?